Hello everyone. In this quick short video, let us understand, does the constructor have return type or not? Fine. So here we can see one class. The name of the class is booking details class. So booking details class is having some instance variables in it. One is string booking ID and another one is customer name. Clearly we can see one constructor. The name of the constructor is similar to the class name, that is booking details. Job of the constructor is to initialize the instance variables. That is what it is doing. Booking details side, booking ID equal to 10199 something, and customer name has been initialized. For our reference, we are just printing the booking ID and customer name. It is not required logically. Now let us as we are talking about return type for a constructor, that is the reason I mentioned one return type for one more block. The name of the block is booking details. You can see integer is the return type, and booking details is very similar to the class name. That means it looks like a constructor. Now let us access both the blocks. So as we know that when we will instantiate the class, the constructor will automatically get instantiated. So now what I will do is I'll run the code once with this object. For example, obj is the object for the class. Now I need to execute it just to check whether my constructor is getting invoked or not. Yes, I can get the value booking ID and customer name from the first block, that is constructor. Fine. Now let us consider this about the second block. Let us consider how can we execute the second block. So as of now, I am just commenting the first block. Now I am expecting second block to execute. In case it is a constructor, it should execute. Otherwise, it will not execute. For example, I'm executing the code and I'm not getting any output. That means this booking details is not a constructor. So if booking details is not a constructor, what exactly it is? It is a method. It is a method. It is a return type method. Though it is not a good practice to give the method name as class name, but technically it is not wrong. So you can see we are not getting any error message over here. Though we are getting some warning like change it to constructor or something, we can ignore it. Right. Now let us try to execute this block. Fine. How, as it is a method, we can execute it by using object. Fine. So what is our object? Obj is the object. Now as it is a return type method, I can store the data in a different variable, that is result obj dot book details. Book details is a method. So I can print the variable. So now I am executing it once more. Here we can see the method is getting executed. So 9090 is booking ID. We are getting it from booking details method. We are getting it from booking details method. So let us execute both together. Now I'm executing both method and constructor together. Yeah, my constructor has been invoked and the method is getting executed. Fine. I hope it is clear. One point we need to note: the moment we will try to convert the try to give one return type to the to the constructor, it will become a method. Fine. So thank you so much. Have a nice time, and I hope it is useful for all of us.